Hey everyone, it's Ed at U Cars. We're back with another Mini for you. Got a Cooper S hatchback, 2012 in the year, 62 on the plate. Does come with a private plate actually, this one, a 5-digit private plate, so worth a couple of quid extra. This car's finished in midnight black. It's got just over 24,000 miles from new. 5 services, 2 owners I do believe. Immaculate throughout. Very pleased to be able to offer this car. And as we walk around it, I think you will agree with me. It's stunning. There are little to no stone chips on the front. It's got the visibility pack with the Xenon lights. Your 17-inch cone spoke wheels, I believe they're called. Black mirrors, black roof. It's all colour coded. There's no dings on it. As you will see, it's straight as a die. Private plate there. You can do your checks with that registration number. It's staying on the car. It's got rear parking sensors, your centre exhaust of course, your rear spoiler. Honestly, this is a proper example. It's got the black leather and cloth interior. It's the Ray style, that's the official name for it. We'll show you that in a sec. Nice cleanly and tidy in the boot. Got your mats, got your folding seats and your parcel shelf. No funny smells, no signs of dogs or anything like that. No marks on the load area. Oh, it's ULEZ compliant, of course, because it's petrol. So if you live in London, could be the ideal car for you. Got your 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with cruise control. The black cloth leather mix. Same in the back. It does have ISOFIX in the back as well. It's a 6-speed manual. It's got heated seats, heated windscreen, etc. But I'll show you that one in a second. Let's get the car started. And you'll see there are no warnings. I'll show you both clocks because the engine light's over there. Look, you've just seen it go out. Radio works. So there you go, all the lights illuminate and go out as they should. There are no warnings, there are no nasties with this car, and the mileage is just 24,295. Got DAB radio in the centre with Bluetooth as well. Towards the bottom we've got your heated seats and your heated screen with your climate control. USB, an auxiliary down there with your sport button and your traction control, etc. Your handbooks are in the glove box. Bit of storage up the top there, look. They don't do that anymore. Or ambient lighting, but you can flick through the colours, look, depending on your mood. And that is that. You will not find a better example than this. Give us a call, get involved, 01509 267 111. Finance is available. We work with a number of lenders to find you the best deal that we can, although we are limited because of the age of the vehicle. We will do our best. Thanks for watching.